Over here with Lady Liberty, just thinking. Everybody's worried about the stock market, the housing, but banks aren't, because the housing is a safe bet. You can't lose money with a house. See, unlike stocks, you can rent your house and earn passive income. And if you have a 2-3 family, you can live in there for free. So that's why I say you can't lose money. You rent the house out, rent the apartments out, so the value goes back up. Because remember, housing goes up and down. So you could always wait till it goes back up if you want to sell. Until then, you can live off free rent and passive income. So now, if you're tired of paying somebody else's mortgage, call me. Let's get you a house. Or if you're ready to sell, call me too. Let's get your house sold.